In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy a domain on Cloudflare step by step so you know exactly what to expect and what each part of the process means. By the end, you'll be comfortable searching for a domain, checking its pricing, and completing your purchase inside the Cloudflare dashboard. First, make sure you're signed into your Cloudflare account and that you're on your main dashboard. This is the central place where you manage all of your Cloudflare services, including domains, DNS, and security features. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that in your browser. Then once you're in, you'll see the familiar Cloudflare interface. On the left-hand sidebar of the dashboard, you'll find a list of sections you can manage. Look for the section labeled Domain Registration. This is where Cloudflare lets you register new domains and manage the ones you've already purchased. Click on Domain Registration and then select Register Domains. This will open the page where you can search for and buy new domain names. At the top of this page, you'll see a search box. This is where you enter the domain name you're interested in. Type in your desired name without worrying too much about the extension yet. For example, if you want Migrate Project, just type that part first. Cloudflare will automatically search across a range of common domain extensions like .com, .net, .org, .ai, and many others. After a moment, Cloudflare will display the results. You'll see a list of available extensions and whether the exact name you entered is free to register. Next to each extension, Cloudflare shows you the annual price. One of the useful things about Cloudflare's domain registration is that they typically charge at or very close to the wholesale price, which means there are usually no big markups or surprise fees. You'll see the yearly cost clearly listed for each option, so you can compare and choose the one that best fits your budget and your brand. Take a moment here to review the options. If your first choice, like the .com version, is taken, you might see that a different extension, such as .net or .org, is available. Think about how your audience will use and remember your domain. For most businesses and personal brands, .com is still the most common, but depending on your project, a different extension might actually be a better fit. Once you've found a domain and extension combination that you're happy with, look for the purchase button next to that specific domain. Clicking purchase will start the checkout process for that name. Before you confirm, it's a good idea to double check the spelling of your domain and make sure you've selected the correct extension because domain registrations are generally not refundable and can't be changed later. After you click purchase, Cloudflare will guide you through the remaining steps to complete the payment and finalize the registration. Follow the prompts on screen, review the total cost, and confirm your purchase. When you're done, the domain will be added to your Cloudflare account, ready for you to set up DNS records, connect to a website, or configure any other services you need.